Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hope World, and today we are gonna try a new recipe. A lot of you might be international viewers and not knowing what it is. So this, for your information, I would like to tell you that this is called full makhane, and I don't know what do we call it in English. Forgive me for that. And this is the oven, so it's actually right now not that edible to be eaten. So first we are going to keep it here in the oven, and for like, you will see that for 1.5 minutes we are gonna do it. It started now and you can see it moving and moving, and I'll see you guys after some time. I mean after it is cooked. So guys, I'm back and it's about to get over, and go. Now that we have it's really nicely baked one. Now what happens is basically it gets a lot crunchier when you just keep it in an oven. And on the top of it I'm going to put salt. Now a good amount of salt helps the tastes to get better, and that's what I have done now. And I'll tell you, this is how it is. And I just hope that you can feel the crunch and get satisfied from it. The crunch is really amazing, guys. Now, especially with the salt that I just put it right here, this is amazing. And you should try it too. And one more thing, guys, I know that my channel right now is not growing that much. Not many people are watching it, but I hope that someday in future we will reach a lot many number of views, and so much of stuff will be there online that I'll be posting. But for the meantime, if you like the video, then please like the video on the YouTube as well and all the other platforms, and share this video, comment about what your views are on the videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.